Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 12, or 3 to the power x plus 9 can be written as 3 square whole to the power x is equal to 12. At this moment we know that an exponential formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m, or 3 to the power x plus, now apply this formula here, we can write 3 to the power x whole square is equal to 12. Now let y is equal to 3 to the power x. So we can write here y plus y square is equal to 12, or y plus y square. Now taking this 12 to left side, we will get negative 12 is equal to 0, or now rearranging left sides, we can write here y square plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is a nice quadratic equation. Now here we can use middle term factor, so we can write here y square plus 4y minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Attention here, this 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Or now taking on y to first two term, we will get y plus 4, and taking on negative 3 to last two term, we will get y plus 4 is equal to 0. Or now taking on y plus 4, we will get y plus 4, here we will get y, and here we will get negative 3 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, so we can write here y plus 4 is equal to 0 and y minus 3 is equal to 0, or y is equal to, now taking this positive 4 to right side, we will get negative 4. But remember, let y is equal to 3 to the power x, so we can write here 3 to the power x is equal to negative 4. Now we can say easily here it is not possible, because 3 to the power x is always positive, but this is a negative number, so we can write positive not equal to negative, so this is rejected. Then from here we can write y is equal to, taking this negative 3 to right side, we will get 3, or y is equal to 2 to the 3 to the power x, so we can write here 3 to the power x is equal to 3, or 3 to the power x is equal to 3 can be written as 3 to the power 1. Now here we can write x is equal to 1, so our final answer is x is equal to 1. Now check, our questions is 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 12. 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 12. Here x is equal to 1, so we can write here 3 to the power 1 plus 9 to the power 1 is it equal to 12, or 3 to the power 1 is 3 plus 9 to the power 1 is 9 is it equal to 12. So 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 is equal to 12, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, so we can say our final answer is x is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.